Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and I'm so glad you're here. As we head into 2018, I've been thinking about what I want to do with my YouTube channel. Do I want to forget about it? Do I want to do some more with it? What do I want to do? And I have decided that I'm going to expand it. I'm not going to just do crafting videos anymore, but I'm going to do some advice or life hack type of videos because I've lived a pretty full life and I've learned some things along the way that I would love to share with you. If you are here just for the crafting videos, have no fear. I will still be doing crafting videos. If you don't like the other videos, you know what? Just skip them and just watch the crafting videos. But to help you out, to ease the way, I am going to start showing you on here a crafting video that I worked on today. In this project, I am using my black Pitt markers from Faber-Castell, and I'm using watercolor paper. And then later on, you will see me use some distress inks and a distress oxide ink to watercolor a background onto it. I've always seen myself as a jack of all trades, master of none. There are a lot of things that I do, and I do them pretty well. And I want to share that with you and hopefully help a few of you along the way. Well, why me? Who am I? What is Straw-Bearie Designs? Well, I am Strawberry, and everything I design would be Straw-Bearie Designs. I was given numerous nicknames as a kid. Most of them I didn't like. Mouse, rat, brat, red, until one day this really sweet, nice old man gave me the name Strawberry, and I loved it. I thought it was so great. In fact, I loved it so much, I married his grandson. Okay, that may not be the reason why I married his grandson, but we have been together for 28 years. We have 2 children who are grown, and this year I became an empty nester. I live in Texas, and I've had many jobs over the years, but right now I'm teaching multimedia to middle school students, which is the main reason why I actually started this channel, so that I would know how to work YouTube and I would know the tips and the tricks so that I could teach them. You know, you gotta stay a step ahead of, 12 and 13-year-olds. But you're gonna have to tune into more videos to learn more about me. But before I go, this came from one of my cheer moms. Cheer moms, yes, you heard that right. And that is another story for another video. Anyway, 2018 is a new year. Never say I can't. Always do your best. Encourage each other to do good. Whisper to God every night. You are amazing. Never think less. Empower yourself with positive. Achieve and believe in all you do. And respect and love one another. And I love this saying, and I'm going to find a frame and I'm going to put it up, and I hope and wish that all of these things that I'm hoping for my 2018, for me and for my family, will be true for you as well. This is Michelle with Straw-Bearie Designs. Please like and subscribe. Have a great day and crafting away.